It's Wildlife with Michael.
Open that up, buddy.
Whoa!
Check that out. 50 on the bottom and 40 on the top.
Woo!
It's Wildlife with Michael here, and in today's video, we're going to be going to the Humane Society to go play with 3 random dogs and just having a good time with the dogs. So I'll see y'all at the shelter, and peace out, guys. All right, guys, so we're inside, and here's some of the dogs. Here's all the papers they got. So basically what they were saying is if they have a green, we can take them out. So we're going to look around and see what dogs we want to check out. Check that out. We're gonna keep looking around though. I'm gonna show you guys more dogs. This one's got a little poop right there. Keep looking. The majority of it is pit bulls because they have a bad reputation, but pit bulls are not a bad dog. So, hey. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, bud. Look at that guy. Look at this one. Another pit bull. Oh, there's no dog in this one. Which one? Oh, this is Labrador thing. Which one? What is it? This one? Oh. Hey, Marlo.
He's not available. But it says high energy, friendly, and cautious.
Marlo. He's very cute. He's small. What's this one? Oh, it's a big one. Oh, they got the cone on him. Hey, buddy. Oh my. Oh, he's so cute. Hey, buddy. Is he available? No. He's a Great Pyrenees. You know what breed that is?
What?
It's this massive, like sheep guardian dog.
Hi.
How do you end up in here?
You're so cute.
It's a big dog.
Are you cute?
He's very cute. But yeah, we're gonna keep looking around for dogs, and then we'll cut right back. I'm gonna show you guys more dogs though. Here's some more dogs. Look at this one. Very cute. So adorable. So cute. And they also have a Rottweiler. It's literally like Hercules. Check that out. It's a female. I wish we could check her out, but she's not available. Which one is that?
I'm waking up observation.
Oh.
Why?
It might have been from wait. Oh. They might have had to do something with her. Maybe like something medical. It's okay though. We got a pit bull here sleeping. Yeah, a lot of them are pit bulls. Or big, like really big breeds. Heartworm? It's a parasite.
Yeah, parasite.
That's pit bull.
He's heartworm positive.
Heartworm positive? He's probably getting treated. He's available though. Hey! He has a very cute face. What is this one? Is that you know? This one has a big head. Look at that.
He also has heartworm.
What is this one? German Shepherd. Oh, Siberian Husky mix. It's available. Look at this guy. We're gonna go over to the small dogs, and then I'm gonna show you guys that over there on the other side of the shelter. Hello. Look at this one. So cute. He's trying to lick you. You can take that one out. Maybe we take this one out. He wants to come out so bad. This one? Okay, this might be one of the ones we take out. Well, let's go check out the small dogs.
Okay.
This is the smaller dogs right here. Got this one. These are like puppies. This one's asleep. This one's a little smaller. See, it's a smaller dog a little bit. Here's a bulldog. Look at the picture. This is a bulldog. Little small dog here. Yeah, it's definitely way smaller. Very cute. Oh, it's like a small pit bull. So muscular, look at that. Oh, hey buddy. Hey bud. Hey buddy. He's very cute. Look at this guy. Look at that guy over there. That's where we're gonna go to over there. In a second. What is this one? Oh my gosh! Kirby! Man, Kirby's adorable! Hey Kirby! Hey Kirby! He's so cute! This is a small dog right here. Hey! Come here! This one doesn't have an eye actually. On the other side. Dude, look at this French bulldog. What is this one? Ella. Look at the French bulldog. So cute. Hey. I really want to scratch this one. So cute. With Ella. This is one of the dogs we picked. We can pick 3 dogs. That's not 3, that's 3. So this is the first dog we're gonna check out. Check him out. It's a boy, I think. He's 2 years old. But we're gonna go try to find the 2 other dogs. We'll see what we find. I'll cut back. All right, guys. So this is the one I picked right here. Fiona. This is the one I'm gonna pick. 196. All right. All right. So we're outside now. Pin 3. All right. There's some toys in here and a bench with paws. Wow. It's Fiona. Hey Fiona. Hey. Good girl. Hey Fiona. Let me see. Oh, she's cute. Hey Fiona.
Yeah.
Look at Fiona. Hello. She's warming up. Hey Fiona. Look, look. Look. Fiona. Come here. Hey. You like the toy? Get the toy. Get the toy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Fiona. I'm gonna keep petting this dog for a little bit. This is Fiona. Show her some love. And then we're gonna go to the next dog. Say bye to Fiona, guys. Hey, baby. This is the second dog. His name is Bowie. Bowie. This is Bowie. Bowie. Come on, Bowie. Come here, Bowie. Come on. Come here, Bowie. Hey, Bowie. You're very cute. You're cute, Bowie. There we are. Look at Bowie. This is Bowie. Look at Bowie. He's climbing. Ooh. Hey, Bowie. That's Bowie. Hello.
You want to say hi?
He's at her. What's her name again?
Red.
Rhett. Hello, Rhett.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This is Rhett.
Can I ask you guys if you have a...
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I also wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for 31 subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. I love you guys. For real, I really do love you guys. Thank you for all the support that you guys give me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, guys.